Pakistan's love for AWACS goes back to 1986 when it sought top-of-the-line E-3 Sentinel from the United States, but instead it got the subpar E-2 Hawkeye, which was eventually commissioned to the Pakistan Navy. Defense officials kept highlighting the vulnerability of the country's airspace as Pakistan Air Force lacked a reliable surveillance system. In May 2004, the cabinet finally approved plans to build Airborne early warning surveillance system from the Swedish firms SAAB and Ericsson for $1 billion. The IRI system Pakistan settled for includes 4 second-hand SAAB 2000 turboprop aircraft equipped with airborne radar from Ericsson. PF evaluated the E-2C Hawkeye and even a Boeing 737-based AWACS, but opted to buy the IRI from Sweden because Washington was not prepared to sell them to Pakistan. On the other hand, India has purchased Israeli-built Falcon AWACS and its first bird landed in May 2009. IRI cannot be compared with the Israeli-built Falcons, which are a lot more advanced. The fear is that Falcons can jam the electronics of IRIs Pakistan has bought. Analysts tag this as a nightmare scenario whereby an isolated IRI falls prey to Indian fighter jets. Air defense experts wonder whether the 4 AWACS Islamabad plans to buy from China will match the Falcons India has acquired from Israel. The Swedish birds will certainly not ensure the air superiority Pakistan needs today, especially after losing the hopes of the strategic air depth towards the west. Masror Hussain, Dawn News.